Do you absolutely dread the thought of going to bed? Like, now you are at a point where you absolutely hate going to bed. You wish that time wouldn't come because you know it's just going to mean struggle, resistance, it's going to mean anxiety, it's going to mean stress, it's just any single emotion you can think of is what it's going to mean. And nobody wants to experience all that struggle, that difficulty to fall asleep. That feels really heavy and it carries on into the next day. I know exactly how this feels because I had the same thing. I only slept 1 or 2, at the best, days per week, and only a few hours on those days. The rest of the days I did not sleep. Did I try to make myself sleep? 100%. I tried every single pill, every single technique. I tried hypnosis, meditation, everything, and nothing worked. It was just a struggle the whole night, and it was exhausting. So yes, I wanted to sleep, but at the same time, I dreaded that time. Like, I knew bedtime was coming up, and I could feel that anxiety building. And I'm guessing if you are here watching this, you probably have chronic insomnia like I did, and you can relate in some way. So I want to help you with this. I want to help make the night a little bit easier for you, even if you're not quite sleeping more yet, because it is possible. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know what feeds insomnia is fear. It's that fear of not being able to sleep that starts to trigger your brain to activate the fight or flight system because it thinks that there's something wrong. It thinks that you are in danger. Every single night it thinks you're in danger, and it keeps going on and on and on every single night. Day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. It just keeps continuing. Your brain thinks you're in danger. Your sleep system's not broken. It's just preventing you from getting sleep so that you stay safe from the danger that is out there. So the whole key to all of this is to reduce the fear, to stop fearing the night, to stop trying to escape sleeplessness so that your brain can learn that you are safe. So here's what I want to invite you to do. I want you to think of something that you can enjoy doing when you're awake at night. Even if it's just coloring, doing a puzzle, watching a comedy. Yes, I know, electronics, blue light, all that, but we'll talk more about that. Something that you can enjoy. If you can't sleep anyway, and resisting it and fighting it doesn't work, then you might as well make it a little more enjoyable. And what does that do? If you stop trying to focus on trying to make sleep happen, trying to force it, and instead you do something you enjoy, your brain will start to learn that you are safe, so that it can start to deactivate that fight or flight system. Now, yes, I know you might be saying, Caitlin, we're not supposed to watch electronics or the blue light and all this stuff, and that's going to cause insomnia. So here's the thing. If you are someone who is resisting and fighting, getting anxious and stressed and trying to force sleep, and your emotions are rising, your hyperarousal's up, and you're anxious, and then you have a person who is sitting in bed, laughing at a comedy, and relaxed, who do you think's going to get more sleep? Do you think that little bit of light and stimulation from a nice light show, not like a horror movie or action-packed, just a light comedy or something like that, with a little bit of light, TV shows in bed every single night, just like I do. So during insomnia, I started getting the iPad. I put on blue blocker glasses on, and I would watch Friends, because it didn't matter if I fell asleep in the middle of it or missed any of it. It's not going to be action-packed and keep me awake with lots of action and stimulating things going on. And I focused on that, and I laughed a little sometimes, and just the anxiety started to come down. I started to relax more, and it really helped me get to a point where I could sleep every single night. I don't need the iPad, I don't need the TV show anymore, but I still enjoy it. I still watch a TV show in bed, and I sleep great. So I want you to consider that. What can you do in bed that you enjoy? Would you rather be the person who's anxious and trying to force sleep when it doesn't work, or be the person watching TV? because I started gaining more and more sleep by watching the TV show than when I was anxious and stressed. And sometimes in the Facebook groups, I'll see posts about, like, I don't understand why I don't sleep, and la la la. And there'll be people, multiple comments, oh, you must be watching TV shows. I don't remember if they've said anything in their posts about they watch TV, but that's going to cause you like major insomnia, and that's your biggest thing right there. And I'm thinking, I did the opposite. So I want to give you permission. You could try this. You could experiment for a little while and watch a TV show. You could get yourself a pair of blue light blocking glasses and just enjoy a show. Find something that you enjoy. Instead of focusing on trying to force sleep, focus on something that you can enjoy in the middle of the night, not worrying about if that it's going to stimulate you to be awake, because that's going to show your brain that you are safe, because you're not scared. You're allowing the fear to come down, because you're not fearful when you're focused on a TV show or something else, and you're not trying to escape it. So that's it. And if you want my calm wakefulness guide, comment the word calm below. It's going to help you learn how to shift away from all that fear into feeling calm in the middle of the night. And then from there, you can go on to do something that you absolutely enjoy. You have some extra time in the middle of the night to do something you enjoy. So if you want the calm wakefulness guide, comment the word calm below, and I will see you in the next video.